So here's what happens when I try to start my Jeep. And that's all I get.